Girls love League of Legends. Okay, if you're single, you have to play League because girls like League players. Actually, if you are in higher elo, you have the higher chance to get laid tonight. They love League so much that they even cosplay it. On the other hand, the most of the CSGO players are gays. No woman would accept somebody with so aggressive mindset. League of Legends. Expand your mind. League of Legends is one of the most complex games in the world. There are many possibilities to win or lose. Even the draft takes much skill. On the other hand, CSGO players are limited. They repeat over and over and over the one thing. CSGO players are brainless kids. League of Legends creative. People who play League of Legends are very creative. They create art, they create songs, and they even cosplay their favorite champions. There was a study with 900 people who play League more than 4 hours per day. Results were shocking. The more they play, the more they want to go to theater or opera. Scientists could not explain why that happened. On the other hand, CSGO players don't do art. They are only focused on work, CS and sleep. CSGO players are only good at cosplaying terrorism. CSGO is easy. CSGO takes 5 minutes to learn. If you are a League player, it's enough to go to pro play. CSGO is game for babies. CSGO is luck based, not skill. There is not accurate weapon in whole game. You have to pray while shooting. Pro players close their eyes while shooting. On the other hand, League of Legends takes years to learn to play and lifetime to master. Casual players can have fun. Only gifted players can take it to next level, pro play. If you get to pro play, it's probably God gift for you. League of Legends looks amazing. Map is huge. You can stare at it for hours. No wonder why people get creative while playing League of Legends. Girls love it. On the other hand, CSGO is old. Map, shit, eyes, bleeding. League is against violence. Have you seen blood while playing League of Legends? Nope. There's a pandas. Pandas is cute. You cannot imagine the aggressive panda, right? There's a jungler who protect the jungles. They're peaceful jungle creeps who needs protection. On the other hand, CSGO is all about killing. They fight for kill, they kill peaceful chickens, they plant bomb, they kill hostages. CSGO is very offensive game. Today it's only game, tomorrow you kill your mom. League of Legends relax and remove stress. League of Legends is very calm game. Even in hospitals, they use League of Legends to cure mentally sick CSGO players. If you have an aggressive kid, you should allow them play League of Legends. It's very calm. Just wait 1 or 2 days, he will be much better. If he is not better, give him another month. If your kid has played CSGO, it can take many years. Be patient. And remember, be calm. CSGO is very aggressive game. CSGO players struggle at school with their grades. They have a hard time in the work. Most likely, CSGO players go to jail. Only cure to that is playing League. CSGO players have some serious health problems. Think about it. Your brain does nothing while you're playing CSGO. You are killing your brain if you're playing CSGO more than 1 hour per year. CSGO doesn't take any skill, so even Slavish people can play it. CSGO can damage your eyes while watching that ugly game. CSGO can damage your ears by listening that ugly shutting sound. CSGO gives you cancer because toxic community. On the other hand, League of Legends has the nicest graphics what I have seen. The music, it's like typed by God. Multitasking in games, freehand. Most of the League pro players can play League with only one hand and with other drink tea or play piano. You can even paint with other hand. Basically, other hand is free to do anything. There's no way you can do something like that in CSGO. One hand is for running, other is for shooting. This is all what this game takes. Gopniks mostly playing CSGO. First, you have to know what word Gopnik stands for. That's mean Slavic peoples. Thank you for the watching, please like and subscribe, and now it's time to squat.